Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy medal at home. So this is a very easy way of making a medal and it is useful too. So as you guys see, I've attached a green ribbon over here for hanging the medal. Over here we have the bottom part. So I've just written Best Handicrafter Award and written my name at the bottom. And I've also written this year's date, so 2023. So you guys can do different things with this medals. For example, you can give like a best runner award or best entertainer award, etc., or best singer, anything that you prefer. Or this will be a really cute home decor. And if you have any small children and if you have any siblings, and you can gift it to them as a gift as well. For example, best sibling award, etc. So this is a very easy way to do a medal, and it's also really creative as well. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So first of all, I'm just going to keep this aside, and we'll be needing a green ribbon for this. So I'm taking green because I'm only having a ribbon in this color. So if you guys want, you can take other color ribbons if you have. For example, if you take like blue or red, that will be a good color. And if you want to make it more realistic, you can take like 2 ribbons and you can just combine them together to get a better look. So first I'm just going to be taking this. I'm going to be keeping this aside. Next I'm going to be taking a small piece of cardboard. So this is just a remaining piece of cardboard that I had from a clay craft. So I'm just going to be taking that. So first I'm just going to be folding this in half and I'm going to be sticking it. So if you have any thick cardboard, you do not have to do this step. Since my cardboard is thin, I want to make it stronger for this piece. I'm just gluing this piece together so that it will be more stronger. So I'm just going to be applying glue and sticking these 2 pieces. So as you see, since this is cardboard, it will take a lot of time to dry. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of pressure from the top so that it gets stuck well. So after this, we're just going to be cutting out a circle. So if you guys want, you can take like a compass or a bottom of this glue bottle for tracing down the circle. But I'm just going to be cutting it randomly. So please be very careful while using a scissor, because there are many incidents in which small children cut their fingers. So I'm just going to be cutting it slowly so that we get a proper circle. So do not waste cardboard. So if you're not sure about cutting, you can definitely use a marker or a pencil and you can just trace a circle, then you can cut it off. So now as you see, our circular part of the medal is ready. So now I'm just going to be taking another brown sheet for sticking on top of this cardboard. So if we take dark yellow, it will be very nice, but since I'm not having that color with me now, I'm taking this sheet of paper. So if you do not have these kind of color papers, you guys can even take normal A4 sheets and you can stick it. Then you can just color them with a marker. So now once we are done sticking this, I'm going to be sticking this piece over here. And now I'm going to be applying glue on the other side of the medal over here. And I'm also going to be sticking this piece on it. So we have to wait for it to dry. So once it's dry, I'm just going to be cutting this piece off. So I'm just going to be cutting this, and now I'm going to be tracing the other parts as well. So please be very careful while doing this step so that you'll get a proper output. So if you're not sure, you can definitely ask somebody for help. So now as you see, I'm done cutting this out, and I just have some remaining pieces which I'm going to be trimming over here. So please do this step very carefully as well as slowly so that you can get a proper output. So I'm just going to be cutting it on the sides as well and also at the bottom. So I'm just going to be trimming it gently like this, and we're also going to be cutting it over here. So now we're done. So we just have some remaining pieces at the bottom. So I'm also going to be trimming those over here as well. So after we complete that, our bottom part of our medal is ready. So now we'll be having a cute part like this, which is circular. So now I'm just going to be coloring in with a yellow marker. So as you see, if you guys like this color, you can keep it as it is. But I'm not satisfied with the look. So I'm just going to be taking a yellow marker and I'm going to be coloring it in for a better brightness. So if you guys do not want to do this step, you can skip it. If you have yellow paper, you can stick that as well. I'm just going to be coloring it in. If you guys want, you can take like a yellow color pencil or a yellow crayon for doing this step. So I'm just going to be gently coloring it in all over this piece over here. So do this step slowly so that you'll get a proper output. So I'm just going to be coloring it in all the sides over here and also in the bottom over here as well. So as you saw, for this one I made a Best Handicrafter Award, and for this one I'm planning to do a Best Runner Award for the year. So now I've completed coloring it in yellow. So I'm just going to be leaving the back side as it is, and I'm only coloring in the front part. So after that, I'm just going to be taking a black marker and I'm going to be giving an outline at the edges. So that I'm just going to be tracing the circle so that it will be nice and bold in the center. So please do this step very carefully and slowly so that you will not mess it up. So I'm just going to be coloring it at the edges like this, and we're going to be doing it completely over here as well. So if you guys want it to be more thicker, you can do it more thicker. So as you see, I'm just going to be giving one more coating over here to make the medal nice and thick. So I'm just going to be repeating the step all over the medal like this. So once we complete this, our bottom part of the medal is ready. So next we're going to be starting off with the writing. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a permanent marker. If you guys want, you can take like a black gel pen. So over the top, I'm going to be writing best runner of the year. So best runner of the year. Now I'm just going to be drawing a line. So for that, I'm going to be using a different color marker. So I'm just going to be leaving the space empty. Then I'm going to be writing a 1 in the middle, and I'm going to be giving a small circular outline around the 1. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be writing the year over here. So I'm going to be writing 2023, and at the bottom I'm going to be writing my name. So you guys can write your name or the name of the person you're gifting it to. So I'm just going to be writing my name, and here you can draw any symbol. So for here, as you see, for the best handicrafter award, I just drew a scissor. For the runner, I'm just going to be drawing like a small track. So for that, I'm going to be drawing 2 lines and small lines inside for to resemble a road. So once we complete this, our center part is ready. So now the main part is decoration and drawing lines for this. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a green marker, light green marker, and I'm just going to be drawing a big line over here. And I'm also going to be drawing a line at the bottom over here. Next step is that I'm going to be taking another neon shaded marker, and I'm going to be giving a small coloring on top of the one over here. So once we complete this, our center part of the medal is ready. So you guys can write anything that you prefer. So now we'll move on to the top part. So for that, I'm just going to be taking this ribbon that we have. So now I'm just going to be making a knot. So I'm just going to be taking these 2 edges. So you guys can wrap it around your neck and to get the correct size. So I'm just going to be knotting it over here. I'm just going to be curling it. Now I'm going to be knotting these 2 pieces. So please make sure that the size of the ribbon you're taking is nice and large, so that it will be fitting your neck properly. So I'm just going to be knotting it and making the knot perfect like this. So now the top part of our ribbon is ready. So now I'm just going to be sticking it onto this paper that we made. So for that, I'm just going to be turning this to the back of this part, and I'm going to be applying glue on this part that we have made. So I'm just going to be applying glue, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So I'm just going to be checking the top part, then I'm going to be sticking it over here. So I'm just going to be taking this part out, and I'm going to be waiting it for it to dry. So now I'm just going to be turning it and checking if it's stuck properly. So we just have to wait for it to dry. So if you guys want, you can take like fabric glue for doing this. So I'm just going to be waiting it for it to dry. Next, I'm just going to be taking the same color paper, and I'm just going to be applying glue on this piece of paper, and I'm going to be sticking it onto the ribbon that we've already made. So I'm just going to be sticking it so that the part that we've stuck does not seem to be seen. So I'm just going to be cutting the remaining pieces over here. So now it doesn't look like we've stuck the ribbon, so the mark is on. So we're just going to be waiting it to dry, and after we complete this, our medal will be ready. So we just have to wait it to dry so that it will be more perfect. So as you see, our medal is ready. So I've just stuck this, and now once it's dry, you can wear it. So you can just measure the size and do the size properly so that it fits the head of the person. So as I said, you can do different decorations for the medal, and if you want, you can write different things as well. If you want to make it more realistic, you can apply a small coating of glue and wait it to dry. After that, it will be more polished as well as transparent, and it will be shiny as well. So you can do even more decorations to this medal. I've just made it simple. If you guys want, you can take like a black marker and you can put small dots over here, and you can just write running or anything that you prefer. So over here, I'm just going to be writing run over here on bottom of the track that we've drawn. If you want, you can give different color combinations. So I'm just going to be taking a red marker, and I'm going to be giving a small line on bottom of the green to make it more colorful. So it's up to you about how you decorate it. So usually if you win in a competition, they'll give a random medal to you. But if you do this, you can design it in any way that you prefer. You can even keep this medal for yourself or gift it to somebody that you prefer. So after we complete this, our really easy medal doing at home is ready. So this is a really easy and simple way of making a medal, and it is useful too. So if you have many medal collections in your house, and if you want to get a medal that you prefer, you can make it and you can hang it in it as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Gifts. Before you conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you have any ideas about what I should post in my channel or any doubts in my videos, do comment in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.